Amazon shares are spiking up 7% after hours trading, and there's one very simple reason. The earnings have blown past analyst expectations, with profits more than doubling and sales up 43% over last year. Claire's with me.
They crushed estimates, Richard. There's no other way to put it. The sales, as you say, up 43% to 51 billion. 49.9 was what was expected. But it's really on the profits where they absolutely blew past expectations. 3.27 per share versus, that's absolutely more than double what was estimated.
So the earnings per share was expected to be around 126.
Yes.
And it comes in at 3.27.
Which is an extraordinary
How are they doing it? Is it just simply more... I mean, did they change anything? What happened?
Well, it's interesting because every quarter, it seems, Jeff Bezos comes out and he makes a statement in the earnings release. And last quarter, it was about Alexa. This quarter, it was about AWS, Amazon Web Services, which is their cloud business, which is by far their biggest cash cow. They made $5.4 billion in sales on that this quarter.
Now, that's fun. Now, hang on. Let's pause on that.
Yeah.
Because if AWS is making the money,
yeah,
we all think of Amazon as being what we buy.
E-commerce, exactly.
E-commerce side.
Prime
and just a brief survey around our studio here has told me just about everybody here has bought something in the last day or two. But you're telling me that's not where the money's made.
Well, Amazon is in a lot of places where you don't see it. They support a lot of internet infrastructure. They run cloud services, even, Richard, for the CIA and other intelligence services. That was a big contract they won. They're the leader in cloud. There's rivals like Microsoft and Alphabet that are coming up behind them. But this is something that they have really done well. And actually, he talks about that. He says AWS had the unusual advantage of a 7-year head start before facing like-minded competition. This really seems to be the driver this quarter. But that's not the only one.
Does Bezos speak about the battle with the president on the question of taxation? Is there anything there that the market will take?
That may come out on the earnings call. It was a very long release, Richard. We're still going through it. We haven't seen anything yet on the Postal Service or the issue of the fact that they don't pay tax in all states on third-party goods yet. But they're having an earnings call in about an hour and a quarter, so we'll certainly be listening out for that. He may get questions on that.
And when we look at the numbers, the stock price up 7%, but if you put it into its total, it's up sort of 50, 60, 70%, and many at $1,500 a share, $1,400 a share, and many say that it's still on the low side.
Well, it may have more to run. It's up some 25% this year, which is better than the likes of Facebook, for example. But the growth story has been revived, Richard, by this earnings report, and it may have more to run.
Come back with us more to tell us on this.